Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Nikki D here, back with another video, you guys. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I wanted to stop through to show you how the Infinity Processing System is helping me with my YouTube channel, okay? So just want to show some quick results here, all right? And for those of you who don't know what Infinity Processing System is, it is a system, an opportunity where you can earn 100% commissions, no monthly fee, one-time fee, and you have lifetime access to earn unlimited $50, $150, and $300 instant payments to your choice of payment processor, whether it's Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, Vimeo, you decide, right? So I've been applying strategies that I have learned from the training on YouTube through Infinity Processing Systems. And so this is just a little bit more of my results. And this right here is just over the last 28 days. I have went up an extra 313 views on my channel. Average watch time has been 14 minutes. All right. And this is all through the 5th, and I have an additional 13 subscribers, which is really good, because at first I wasn't getting any, but I also wasn't really actively working my YouTube channel. I had kind of fell off, and so now I have plus 13 subscribers. We can see that my biggest video has had 115 views, while others have been an additional 29, 23, 23, and 17 views additional as well. All right, and it shows here also the traffic sources, your browse features. People have found me through the browse feature, which is 37%. My actual channel page is 23%. YouTube search has been 16%, suggested videos 8%, and 13% is others. So 13%, the others would be like if I gave my link to somebody, okay, and somebody actually went and checked out my video. So these statistics are looking pretty good. I'm proud of, of this, because like I said, this is definitely going in a positive direction versus how it looked several months ago. And like I said, and so I've just been applying the strategies that they teach in the Infinity Processing System. And so Infinity Processing Systems, let me pull that up real quick. I keep it right here on my phone. So this is the member back office, and we're going to pull it up. And I know I've showed you all several times before. I'm going to pull it up again. And so, it gives you tons of value. And depending on what level you come in at will depend on what kind of training you get. The YouTube training is at the top level, which is the $300 level. But we also have a $50 level and a $150 level. So for the one-time fee of $50 plus a $25 one-time admin fee, okay, you will get all of this. It's going to show you step by step how to actually set up your account, how to send them your links of how you want to get paid. And they'll, it'll take 24 to 48 hours, and they'll produce a link for you. Okay. And this link will be the link that you would share with people who are interested in making money from home. All right. And for those who are like, well, I want to make money from home, but I don't see the sense in joining this because I don't even know how to do this. You don't have to worry about it, because that's what this program is built on. It's built on teaching you how to market, teaching you how to do online business, how to be an affiliate marketer. This is pretty much what it is in a nutshell. All of this is teaching you how to be an affiliate marketer. So if you follow the step-by-step instructions, you will make money with it. All right. And that's pretty much what the basis of this is. And believe it or not, there's people who are already in other business opportunities who could use this platform as well. So not only is it good for you because it's teaching you how to market this and make money, it's also going to teach you how to be able to market any other business in case you decide to put another business under your belt. All right. Like I said, there's too many ways to make money to be broke. That's my motto. And so like here you have Facebook marketing. You do get the Facebook marketing strategies. You get that at the $50 level. Okay. And they even give you different Facebook groups that you can join that is specifically for online opportunities for people looking to make money. So all the groups that they share here, the 100 groups, is groups of people who are looking to make money from home. So she's telling you where to go. She's telling you what to do. All you got to do is follow the directions, okay? They give you video marketing strategies, how to market on video, okay? Facebook Marketing Pro, which is going to teach you how to pretty much set up your Facebook page, okay, for these leads, okay? And another great thing, see this right here? 200 pre-written ads. So at the $50 level, I believe you only get 50 pre-written ads, but that's still a good amount of ads. And what it's going to do is give you copy and paste ads. So you simply copy and pick whichever one you want, and I'll show you the list. Give me just a moment. Let me move this around and see. It gives you a list of groups. These are all the groups that you can go in to get prospects, okay? And then the ad copy right here, boom. You can copy and paste any one of these to your Facebook page and gain leads. And they're going to show you how to get the leads to your page, okay, how to create the engagement. So where she is actually teaching us, okay? Best ways to things to do in our business to help improve our business, to help to improve your sales and things of that nature. So you get full access there plus support, so you can ask questions there as well. As well as that's where you'll add all your new members to. And you also get access to a free Facebook proof group. And that proof group is pretty much going to be sharing with people how people are earning with this opportunity. All right. So if people are questioning, they want to know, well, listen, I want to know that people are earning. But like, do you mind if I add you to the proof group so you can just see how all of my team members are actually earning with this opportunity? And they'll say yes. And then once you add them, they can see all the payment proofs, okay? And we even have a video in there that goes over the opportunity itself, and it's actually like an interview with one of the top earners. So there's lots of stuff here, tons of stuff for like one-time $50. We spend $50 on a lot of things, and like I said, this right here is useful because it's $50 for something that's going to yield you a bigger return. All right, instant commissions. Instant 100% commission. Nobody's touching your money, you guys. So definitely something to think about. So if you are looking to make money from home, I urge you to click the link below this video to learn more. Make sure you reach out to me. The link to visit me is below this video. Make sure you tell me that you are from YouTube, okay? Because you never know what kind of specials I might be running for my YouTube viewers. So make sure that you let me know that you are from YouTube, all right? So both of those things, make sure that you like, that you subscribe to my channel so you can stay up on all the latest ways to make money from home, from your phone, anywhere in the world, okay? And make sure that you smash that notifications button so you can be notified every time I come out with a new video, you guys. All right. So I just wanted to come through and share that with you. Okay. So I've been applying that training and it's been working. That's here, right here. YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. Excellent training. All right. So with that being said, like I said, go ahead, get plugged in, reach out to me so I can get you plugged into the coaching group, and let's do this. And like I said, you never know what kind of bonus I'm doing. Just make sure you tell me you're from YouTube. And with that being said, I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. That is mentally, physically, and spiritually. And I'm out. Everybody have a good day.